Micron products are one of Hyperion's many product lines. The Micron segment supplies products to tool makers who produce fine grinding, dicing, fat grinding wheels, or in many cases to customers who use products directly in a lapping or polishing application. The Micron product portfolio is comprised of both diamond and cubic boron nitride, or CBN in short, materials ranging in size from 60 microns down to 1/10 of a micron in size. A variety of standard particle size distributions are available, and customized sizes can be produced to meet specific application requirements. In general, Micron material is used to produce the desired surface finish of the workpiece and is typically used in the last production step. Ready-to-use compounds and slurries utilizing diamond or CBN as the abrasive component are also part of the Micron product line. These products are specifically formulated to provide consistent material removal rates and packaged in a variety of containers ranging from gallon bottles to small syringes, allowing for ease of use on our customers' production floor. Micron materials are used to produce a diverse group of components and materials servicing markets from automotive, medical, and electronics. Standard Micron diamond, compounds, and slurries are used to polish steel molds and carbide wire drawing dies, just to mention a few of the varieties of components produced with Micron materials. Inside the electronics market, the production of sapphire, silicon, and silicon carbide wafers are best produced using a patented Hyperion product specifically designed to optimize both the material removal rate and surface finish of these hard materials. The slurry formulation can also be tailored to optimize performance for specific operating conditions. Micron materials are produced using state-of-the-art micronizing, cleaning, and size separation techniques to assure the diamond and CBN powders have precisely controlled sizes, shapes, and surface properties. The result is unprecedented consistency and uniformity of the final product. Our Micron facility is dedicated to Micron materials only, and to further assist in producing materials of the highest quality with the lowest amount of oversize, the facility is subdivided into small production areas, and personnel movements within the facility is restricted. Product quality and consistency is at the forefront of everything we do. Processing and handling such fine powders requires specialized techniques and production associates devoted to strict protocols to ensure the finished product is of the highest quality. Using our extensive application knowledge, solving our customers' problems is what we do best. Our internal application capabilities utilize the most popular industrial equipment and allow for rapid development of customized products and processing conditions, ultimately saving our customers time and money. Our Micron products are produced in Deerfield Beach, USA, and many operations are also performed at the Worthington, USA location. Hyperion's technical expertise and dedicated production facilities are a foundation for which a network of local sales and customer service teams support our customers in the development of effective solutions.